I'm your friend and mentor Vidisha Saraf, and today we have come up with a new video. So today's video is basically about tips for the ACCA examinees. Uh, we wish to help you all take your exams and clear them in the first attempt, and we're going to discuss a few tips on how you can do that. Friends, our channel is basically an educational channel wherein we discuss a lot of content on the future of fab, the future of finance, accounting, and business. So time and again we keep posting videos with a lot of information and update on a lot of national and international programs, current affairs. So in case you want to have more information and update on this in this domain, you can press the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so today we are going to ask a series of questions to Prakash Saraf Sir, who's there with us. He's the master trainer for Saraf Academy, and he has this huge experience of over 25 years, having trained more than 100,000 students across various professional strata across the globe. And right from the age of 16 to the age of 67, 70, he has trained so many people across the globe, and he himself has taken so many professional exams. So let me just ask, sir, you've appeared for so many professional exams in your life. What was your mindset before you actually took an exam? Did you get nervous, sir, before your exams?
Yes, I got nervous, but I can say that with your determination, with your hard work, the nervousness will be at the lowest level when you will give the exam.
Right, sir. Okay. Sir, there's one thing which is very common nowadays. I'm sure we'll all realize that, sir, in sir's time and today's time, the environment is really different. Today, we are going to talk about the ACCA program and the ACCA examinees. We all know that there's a lot of flexibility, okay, which you all enjoy today as compared to what sir was going through in his times. So, we've generally seen that because of this flexibility, a lot of people do not use it as a boon, they use it as a bane. What happens is that because of the flexibility, you keep on pushing the exams. So, sir, let me just put this to you. A lot of people get very nervous before the exams. They press the panic button, and then they feel that they are not adequately prepared for the exam, and then they start dropping the exams, postponing the exams. So, what do you have to say about this, sir?
I can just say, first of all, my experience. I was doing so many courses, three, four professional courses at a time, but never dropped any exam, never money, deferred the exam. Nowadays, when there are so many flexibilities are there, like in specifically ACCA course, we can give the exam on quarterly basis. We should never try in our life to defer the exam just that maybe we are not well prepared, because one single subject we can easily prepare, and we should never defer the exam.
Right. So, friends, the message is clear. You should never defer the exam. And also, as someone who has also given a lot of professional exams, I think I can say that if you're studying conceptually, you will never forget anything in one night. Okay. So, it's just the phobia of the exams by way of which we feel that we've forgotten everything and we're not prepared for the exams. So, just don't get panicked. Get relaxed. I think that's the first mantra. We do not have to press the panic button. Be confident on whatever you have studied in the entire term. If you have your concepts clear, you'll be able to crack it on the papers, right, sir? So, sir, let's now come to the skill level examinees. So, the skill level, sir, can you just let us discuss a little about the skill level paper and the mode of exam?
In skill level, you all know that there are F4 to F9, six subjects are there, but F5 to F9 are quarterly based. The exams, the paper is divided into three parts. Part A, which is objective type 15 questions, 30 marks. Part B, which is scenario based, three questions, but that is also objective type, 30 marks. And then part C, which is divided into two questions, 20 marks each. Now, since the entire exam is computer based, we should study on computer. We should not buy physical books, and we should be doing our practice on computer, Word file, Excel sheet. We should always make our notes on computer screen only, because it will help you to get confidence in giving the exam.
Right. So, be acquainted with the computer systems, guys, because skill level exams are happening on the computer. Do not take printouts. Try and get yourself more and more acquainted to the e-medium. Right, sir?
Yes.
So, sir, for those students who are going to take the skill level exams, what are your specific tips for them so that they can clear the exams in first attempt, sir?
First of all, I will say that we get around 3 months to study one entire subject. These 3 months should be divided into two parts, around 2.5 months for preparation of the subject, and then last 15 to 20 days for revision and doing the mock paper. While studying for 2.5 months, I will stress upon that everybody should study in detail the entire topic from our notes or maybe from the institute material. Then, while studying, always correlate every topic with practical concepts, practical organization example, search YouTube, clear your concepts very well. Once the topic is complete, at the end of the topic, do questions in writing. On the computer screen, solve the questions in writing. And at the same time, make your own notes, which will be very helpful when you will be revising the stuff. When you have studied 10-15 days and you have achieved some of the target, then try to revise the stuff which you did earlier. By that, you need to complete your entire syllabus in around 2.5 months. In the last 15 to 20 days, the 10 days should be given for revision of the entire syllabus. The revision should be done on the basis of your own notes. At the same time, the questions which you have marked earlier, which you want to revise, and last 10 days should be given for doing mock papers. At least 2 to 3 mock papers should be done. Just like exam environment, you can do the mock paper on institute website. Freely questions are available. Do that in 3 hours. After the one mock paper is complete, analyze the institute marking guidelines, analyze how they are marking, and whatever your weak areas are, improve those weak areas, give the exam, don't defer it, study everything on computer. Definitely you will be getting the success. That's we have realized in our experience. That is the student to whom I have taught, and I believe that you also can easily achieve that if you follow this strategy.
Right, sir. So, sir, now coming to the professional level students, there is a difference, I suppose, in the skill level and the professional level exams. So, sir, can you please tell us about the structure of the professional level papers and the exam pattern, sir?
In professional level, except strategic business leader case study exam, all papers have same standard. That is part A 50 marks question, part B two questions of 25 marks each. There is no choice. And the student need to score 50 to pass the exam. In professional level, I can just say that the detail relating to each area is in depth. So student need to clear their concepts very well. Then only they will be getting the success in professional level exams.
Right, sir. So, yes, students, these are the tips from sir for clearing the skills and professional level exams. Sir, want to add something?
Yes. In professional level, I say that generally when I have taught so many students, they understand the concepts very well, but they don't try in writing. They don't try the questions in writing. And even though they know the concept, they don't able to perform in the exam the way they should be able to perform. So I will please advise everybody that once a topic is complete, once you have completed a portion of the syllabus, try to solve questions in writing. It's a must. Out of say 10 questions in a topic, at least 2 3 questions should be done in writing, and analyze your understanding level, how the marking is done, what you are writing. It should not be a bullet point answer, it should not be a one line answer, it should be in paragraph format. Detailed explanations should be given for all the answers, so that you will be able to score marks. And I will say again, at the time of exam, around 10 days before the exam, do the mock papers in writing in 3 hours. Analyze your competent areas, analyze your weak areas, improve those areas, and then give the exam. Even professional level will be very easy to pass if you structure your study properly. I can say that entire ACCA curriculum, since exams are quarterly basis, one single exam, one subject exam at a time. If we properly structured study with concepts, with practical examples, doing the mock papers, making our notes, then we can easily crack all ACC exams. And you understand that if you score more marks and you clear your syllabus or you can clear your course earlier, then in that case you will be start earning earlier in your life. The growth will be starting earlier. By scoring more marks, you will be getting better opportunities in life. So everybody, so try to focus on your study and get everything what you can easily achieve.
So, guys, these were the tips from Prakash Saraf sir. He's told what is to be done by the skill and the professional level students. Skill level students have to concentrate more on the computer based exams. So, you have to be more acquainted with computer based programs. And the professional level people still have the pen and paper mode. And so, you should be practicing as per your exam requirements. So, students, one last thing, have belief in yourself, be confident, and just believe that you can do it. Right? Anything else that you would like to add, sir?
No, no. All the very best to all of you for your study in ACCA and exams for ACCA whenever you are going to give.
Right. All the very best, guys. Thank you so very much.